Hi there, welcome to our demonstration of Simple Client Dashboard. Simple Client Dashboard is a WordPress plugin that allows you to create a more advanced user than editor, while less advanced than administrator. This would allow a web developer to give more advanced access to a client without quite giving them enough to destroy the website, or a site owner to give access to employees to let them do more than what an editor can do, but again, not quite be able to destroy the site. Let me show you what I mean. Here I am logged in as administrator. And so I have access to literally everything. I can change settings. I can manage plugins. I can activate them, deactivate them. I could delete all the themes and bring the entire site down. I could do anything. Now, as an experienced WordPress user, I know not to do that. But I don't necessarily trust a new employee or something like that. So I give them editor access, which is only one level down from administrator. And here I am logged in as an editor, and you can see I have access to posts and pages and media, comments, tools has nothing. I can edit my own profile, but no users. And I can edit a few things with the theme. That's it. Now, I want my employee to be able to manage things like our site members, add and remove users, manage gravity forms. So in order to do that, I need to use a tool like Simple Client Dashboard. Now I have it installed here, and I'll show you how to use it. It's under Settings, Simple Client Dashboard, and here we could manage plugins. We could give them access to plugins. I'm not going to. Themes. I'm going to leave off the ability to break themes, but I do want them to be able to use the customizer and create widgets and menus. That's content. Users. Now, I may want my employee to be able to add and remove new users. If they're brand new, then probably not. But if they're the manager, then probably. So let's do that. And we'll save changes. Then gravity forms. Gravity forms is a big deal. That's a lot of content in there. You want them to be able to see this form submissions and manage them and get back to people and all of that. So we're going to give them list and edit forms, but not create and duplicate or delete. And then view form entries. I also want them to be able to view and edit internal notes. So let's save changes. So we've given several permissions. Let's go look at what we have now. I'm going to reload. And I have nothing because I didn't change the editor. This manages a new role. So what I need to do is go to Users. Here's my editor, my example person. I edit them and I go to the bottom. And normally, users can only be in one role. This plugin additionally allows you to be in more than one. So this person is an editor and also has the subscriber features. And we're going to add them to admin because this is our new role. So we update the user and now reload. And now we have new features. Here they can manage users. They can manage the SMTP plugin and the mail logging plugin. Here's our members. So they can manage members and gravity forms. They can see the forms, but they can't delete this form. Here are entries. We don't have any entries yet, but you can see where we're going here. You can incrementally grow the privileges of the admin user. Now, we only saw a few things here, but this plugin can give access to many more things. Here are some additional add-ons for it. Custom post types, contact form 7, draw attention, EDD, Jetpack, Revolution slider, it goes on. And there are many more, and there are more coming. So this is a really powerful plugin. There's a really good frequently asked questions section down here. And I wanted to point out this one. It says, could I use a role editing plugin and do the same thing? And the answer is yes. But I've done it, and it's a horrible nightmare. Trust me, even with a really good plugin, it's complicated. And this plugin makes it super, super simple. And one of my favorite buttons is right over here, reset to default and reset all. Because I can't tell you the number of times I've messed up all my roles, and it was just a headache. And this makes it really easy. It's a fail safe here. If you get into a mess, just start over. And it's It's beautiful. It works really well. So I hope Simple Client Dashboard can make your website management much easier.